Hello and welcome to Mindbender Media. It's time for a biology quiz. Get ready to put your knowledge to the test with 30 challenging questions. You'll have 5 seconds to answer each one. Are you up for the challenge? Let's begin. Which of the following is not a characteristic of living organisms? A. Reproduction. B. Respiration. C. Decay. The answer is C. Decay. Decay is associated with the breakdown of organic matter, typically after death. What is the basic unit of life? A. Atom. B. Cell. C. Tissue. The answer is B. Cell. The cell is the smallest structural and functional unit of an organism. All living things are composed of cells. Which organelle is known as the powerhouse of the cell? A. Ribosome. B. Nucleus. C. Mitochondria. The answer is C. Mitochondria. Mitochondria generate most of the cell's energy through cellular respiration, earning it the nickname powerhouse of the cell. Which of the following is not a prokaryotic organism? A. Cyanobacteria. B. Bacteria. C. Fungi. The answer is C. Fungi. Fungi are eukaryotic organisms, meaning their cells have a nucleus and other membrane-bound organelles. What is the function of ribosomes in a cell? A. Protein synthesis. B. Lipid synthesis. C. Waste removal. The answer is A. Protein synthesis. Ribosomes synthesize proteins by translating messenger RNA into amino acid sequences. In which process do plants convert sunlight into chemical energy? A. Respiration. B. Photosynthesis. C. Transpiration. The answer is B. Photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the process by which plants use sunlight to convert carbon dioxide and water into glucose and oxygen. Which blood cells are responsible for transporting oxygen? A. Plasma cells. B. Platelets. C. Red blood cells. The answer is C. Red blood cells. Red blood cells contain hemoglobin, a protein that binds to oxygen and transports it throughout the body. What type of joint is found in the shoulder and hip? A. Ball and socket joint. B. Hinge joint. C. Pivot joint. The answer is A. Ball and socket joint. Ball and socket joints allow for a wide range of movement in all directions, as seen in the shoulder and hip. What is the main purpose of the human respiratory system? A. Transport nutrients. B. Exchange gases. C. Produce energy. The answer is B. Exchange gases. The respiratory system facilitates the exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide between the body and the environment. Which molecule carries the genetic information in cells? A. DNA. B. Protein. C. Lipids. The answer is A. DNA. DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid, carries the genetic instructions used in the growth, development, and functioning of all living organisms. What is the process of cell division called? A. Mitosis. B. Meiosis. C. Budding. The answer is A. Mitosis. Mitosis is referred to cell division, the process of making new body cells. Which of the following is a non-renewable resource? A. Biomass. B. Solar energy. C. Fossil fuel. The answer is C. Fossil fuel. Fossil fuels takes millions of years to form and are depleted faster than they can be replenished. Which component of the blood helps in clotting? A. Red blood cells. B. Platelets. C. White blood cells. The answer is B. Platelets. Platelets are small cell fragments in the blood that help in the clotting process, preventing excessive bleeding when injuries occur. Which of the following is not a part of the human digestive system? A. Intestine. B. Liver. C. Kidney. The answer is C. Kidney. The kidney is part of the excretory system, not the digestive system. It filters waste from the blood and produces urine. Which process occurs in the chloroplasts of plant cells? A. Protein synthesis. B. Photosynthesis. C. Respiration. The answer is B. Photosynthesis. Chloroplasts are the site of photosynthesis, where light energy is converted into chemical energy in the form of glucose. What is the function of the large intestine in the human body? A. Absorb water. B. Absorb nutrients. C. Produce enzymes. The answer is A. Absorb water. The large intestine absorbs water and electrolytes from the remaining indigestible food matter, forming solid waste. Which of the following processes releases energy from glucose? A. Transpiration. B. Respiration. C. Fermentation. The answer is B. Respiration. Cellular respiration is the process by which cells break down glucose to release energy, which is used for various cellular activities. Which kingdom does the organism amoeba belong to? A. Animalia. B. Protista. C. Fungi. The answer is B. Protista. Amoeba is a single-celled organism that belongs to the kingdom Protista, which includes various unicellular organisms. Which blood vessel carries oxygenated blood from the lungs to the heart? A. Pulmonary vein. B. Pulmonary artery. C. Vena cava. The answer is A. Pulmonary vein. The pulmonary veins carry oxygenated blood from the lungs to the left atrium of the heart. Which part of the brain is responsible for controlling voluntary actions? A. Medulla oblongata. B. Cerebrum. C. Hypothalamus. The answer is B. Cerebrum. The cerebrum is responsible for voluntary actions, including thinking, learning, and controlling movement. Which of the following structures is not found in animal cells? A. Nucleus. B. Mitochondria. C. Cell wall. The answer is C. Cell wall. Animal cells do not have a cell wall. The cell wall is a rigid structure found in plant cells, providing support and protection. Which of the following is not a type of muscle tissue in the human body? A. Cardiac muscle. B. Smooth muscle. C. Connective muscle. The answer is C. Connective muscle. There is no such thing as connective muscle in the human body. I hope you're having a good time so far. Please do not forget to show us some love by hitting that like, subscribe, and share button. Your support means the world to us. Let's continue with the quiz now, shall we? What is the role of chlorophyll in photosynthesis? A. Stores glucose. B. Absorbs sunlight. C. Releases oxygen. The answer is B. Absorbs sunlight. Chlorophyll is a pigment in plant cells that absorbs sunlight, which is then used to convert carbon dioxide and water into glucose and oxygen. Which part of the flower is responsible for producing pollen? A. Anther. B. Ovary. C. Stigma. The answer is A. Anther. The anther is part of the stamen, male reproductive organ, and produces pollen, which contains the male gametes. Which blood vessel carries deoxygenated blood from the heart to the lungs? A. Pulmonary artery. B. Pulmonary vein. C. Aorta. The answer is A. Pulmonary artery. The pulmonary artery carries deoxygenated blood from the right ventricle of the heart to the lungs for oxygenation. Which part of the cell contains the genetic material? A. Mitochondria. B. Ribosome. C. Nucleus. The answer is C. Nucleus. The nucleus contains the cell's genetic material in the form of DNA, which controls the cell's activities. Which of the following is the main source of energy for the human body? A. Proteins. B. Carbohydrates. C. Vitamins. The answer is B. Carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are the body's primary source of energy. They are broken down into glucose, which is used to fuel cellular activities. What is the function of the xylem in plants? A. Reproduction. B. Photosynthesis. C. Transport water. The answer is C. Transport water. Xylem is responsible for transporting water and minerals from the roots to the rest of the plant. Which type of cell division is responsible for the formation of gametes? A. Meiosis. B. Budding. C. Mitosis. The answer is A. Meiosis. Meiosis is a type of cell division that reduces the chromosome number by half, resulting in the formation of gametes, sperm and eggs. What is the role of insulin in the human body? A. Transports oxygen. B. Breaks down fats. C. Controls blood sugar levels. The answer is C. Controls blood sugar levels. Insulin is a hormone produced by the pancreas that helps regulate blood sugar levels. And that's a wrap on our biology quiz for today. I hope you had fun learning. Don't forget to leave your scores in the comment section below. I will catch you next time with more exciting content. Till then, take care and goodbye.